Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth dated assignment key for the class 6 and our topic is pond as a habitat. So this total assignment is for 10 marks. In this we are having 2 Romans. In the first Roman total 6 objectives are there. Each one carry 1 mark. In the second Roman 2 short question and answers are there. Each one carry 2 marks. And coming to the answers, the first one, identify the organisms which present on the above pond surface. So here the topic is pond as a habitat. So habitat means natural dwelling place of organism. The surroundings which meets the needs of a particular organism in best manner, it is called as a habitat. So in pond also we see the living organism. So pond is also a habitat. So this is a pond. In different regions of the pond we can see the organisms. So this is above the surface. And this is on the surface. Mid-water, pond margin, and this is bottom of the pond. So what they are asking, identify the organisms which are present above the pond surface. So what are the organisms we observe? Mayfly, dragonfly, kingfisher. So the answer is mayfly, dragonfly, kingfisher, option D. And the second one, on pond surface, the organisms are easily eaten up by other organisms because they have less protection. So if you observe some of the insects and some other organisms present on the surface of the pond, so there is no way to hide these organisms. So they easily eaten up by other organisms because they have less protection. So the answer is protection, option B. And the next one, fishes usually lays eggs at. So actually fishes, they move in mid-water but they lay eggs at the pond margin. So the answer is margin, option A. And the next one, if you observe pond bottom, there is minimum of dash. So pond bottom, the last part of the pond. So which one is minimum here? Light. So the answer is light, option D. If you observe the pond, along with animals, some plants also present. So hydrilla, it is present in which region of pond? It is present in the bottom of the pond. So the answer is bottom, option B. And the last one, dash reefs are made up of tiny polypes. So the coral reefs are made up of thousands of tiny coral polyps. So these coral reefs are a variety diverse of all the organisms. So the answer is coral, option C. And moving to the question and answers, write a note on aquatic habitat. So aquatic means water. So in water also we will see the organisms. The animals which live in water are called as aquatic animals. The plants which lives in water are called as aquatic plants. So water is also giving needs. They are meeting the needs of the organism. That's why pond and water is also called as a habitat. So this is the aquatic habitat. The organisms which lives in water are called aquatic animals and aquatic plants. These together called as aquatic habitat. Next, 8th question. So the 8th question, they given one table asking us to write on which region of the pond which organisms we observe. So the first one, pond surface. So pond surface, this is the pond surface. Which organism present and live near this pond surface means snail, pond skater, whittling beetle. Okay, so these organisms, they can live, they can use pond surface as a habitat. And mid-water, in middle of the water, which organisms present? Leeches, mosquito and fishes. Okay, usually fishes, they swim around the mid-water. While they are laying the eggs, they come to the pond margins and they lay the eggs. Next, pond margin, frog, crane, crabs. So these organisms, they use pond margin as a habitat. Last one, pond bottom. So the last part of the pond, here there is a less amount of the light. Because of this reason, less amount of organisms present near the pond bottom. So there are mussel, flatworms and maggots. Maggots means larvae of different insects. So they present in the pond bottom. So this is the key. All the best, students.